What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so now. I don't think I have to remind you all of that, but today we're finally diving into the BMW. Now this is not an engine thing. This is going to be a cosmetic mod. So let me go grab it and I'll be right back. Now this is probably one of my favorite mods to do to the BMW that I've seen. I've looked at a lot of BMWs and what they've done cosmetically, and this is probably one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and dive in because I've been waiting for a while for this. Now this is something that we probably should be careful with because it is a part that is a little bit fragile. I don't know how fragile these are. Ooh, look at that, it comes double boxed. I give to you our brand new BMW M line mirror caps. They're not just any mirror caps, they are carbon fiber. Ooh, yo! Yo, this is gonna look sick! So, alright, we're gonna go ahead and dive in. I'm really excited about this. This looks really easy to do. They're just clips that clip into the thing, I think. Wow, guys, just look at this. It is beautiful. This is not real carbon fiber. This is a mock-up carbon fiber, but because you can see out on the inside, it's not carbon. This looks really freaking good. I'm so hyped about getting these on. If you haven't seen, we're in the new shop. Lighting's great, feels great. It's a little rainy outside, unfortunately. And there goes a bird. Anyways, a little rainy outside, but guys, we're staying nice and dry. I'm really hyped on doing this, like, wow. So we're here at the mirror caps. To start this process, we're gonna have to take these mirror caps off. Luckily, they gave us a tool, but we do not want to break these mirror caps since they are still very good. So I don't remember where the prying points are, but I think you just carefully kind of pry it off. And we also do not want to break these because we're still planning on keeping these. There it is, the old mirror cap, and it looks to be clips. We're gonna keep these safe because these are really nice. We're gonna clean this up too, just because while we have it off, why not? We're gonna use the waterless Rain-X. It's a waterless car wash, let's just say that. So you just spray it on the rag or the surface and clean off the surface just like this. Yeah, that thing needed to be cleaned. Here it is. Here it is. The moment of truth right here. Oh, yo! Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, buddy. Oh! Yo, what the? Oh, that's sick. This is freaking amazing. Dude, that thing is sturdy. That looks so freaking good. That's number one. On to the next side, and woo! God, this is so cool. Wow. All right, guys, let's go to the other side. Same thing. So we just work our way around. Before I do this, do y'all like the stock mirror caps or the aftermarket carbon fiber M style mirror caps? Let me know in the comments below. There's number two, old, lame. This is just something that I've always dreamed of doing. Just having a shop and being able to, you know, the YouTube came along as I got more into cars and stuff like that, but being able to just have your own shop and do this is like, it's a dream come true. So a lot of this motivation is because of you all, so I want to thank you all for making this possible. I tried getting James out here. I don't know where he is, but someone needs to like message him on Instagram and be like, hey, where are you? You need to be in the videos. Get your butt to work. All cleaned up. Let's go ahead and put this mirror cap on, and then we'll take it out for a little final look. There's so many things to come with this thing. I'm stoked about this, guys. That's all I gotta say is I'm really freaking stoked about this. Oh my god. That is so sick. We're gonna pull it out and get a little look outside. Mirror caps, oh my god, look at these things. It just looks so good out here. These mirror caps, sorry guys, I'm holding the tripod while trying to hold you all. These mirror caps, oh my god, so good, so good. Yup, that's the fit. I hope you all enjoyed that little installation of these brand new mirror caps. This is officially the first cosmetic mod of the E90. So if you all liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you all think of the mirror caps. If you all like the carbon fiber ones or the stock ones. A lot of people have different opinions on that, so I'll let you all be the deciders in that factor. But I think we're going to keep the carbon fiber, as in my opinion. I think I love these. These things just look amazing. It makes the car look way more aggressive. And well guys, we've got a lot more stuff coming for this thing, so just be prepared. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next E90 video.